Alrighty folks, let's do some practice density problems together. So let's start off and say that you're given the information that a substance has a mass of 6 grams and a volume of 2 milliliters. And it's asking you to find its density. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our formula triangle and we're gonna take what we're trying to solve for, density, and cover it up. We're left with mass and volume, and remember that when you have it one of the variables over the other, you do division. So we are going to use the formula density equals mass divided by volume. Go ahead and plug in our numbers. Our mass is 6 grams. Our volume is 2 milliliters. So we do that math and we end up with 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And our unit is just whatever's showing right here. So the answer is grams per milliliter. All right, that's our first problem. Let's try another together. All right, next up, let's say that you're given a substance, or you're given 12 grams of a substance, and that substance has a density of 2 grams per milliliter. All right, well, I'm gonna ask you to find the volume of that substance. All right, so why don't you go ahead and pause, try this one on your own, and see what you come up with. All right, let's go ahead and work this together. Well, I'm trying to find volume, so I go ahead and cover up V on my formula triangle, and I'm left with M over D, meaning I'm going to do mass divided by volume, or mass divided by density, I apologize. So volume equals mass divided by density. Well, we have our mass is 12 grams. We have our density as 2 grams per milliliter. All right, the result is going to be 12 divided by 2 is going to be 6. And then our unit, we can do some math here if you want to, but honestly, what I prefer to do is I just look at my density unit and say, okay, the top one's mass, the bottom one is volume. So I'm solving for volume. My volume is in milliliters, 6 milliliters. There you go. Hopefully that's what you got. Let's try one more. All right, so our next one, let's say that you have 8 milliliters of a substance that has a density of 4 grams per milliliter. All right, we are solving for the mass. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is cover up mass on your formula triangle, and that's gonna leave us with volume and density. They are side by side, so we multiply. So mass equals volume times density. All right, well, we can go ahead and plug in for that. Mass equals volume, 8 milliliters, times 4 grams per milliliter. All right, we go ahead and do our math. 8 times 4 is 32. Milliliters cancels milliliters. Our unit left behind is grams, or you can just look at the density unit and say, I know that grams is a mass unit. And that's how you do density problems.